In this video, I will show you that how to change password on Telegram. At first, open the Telegram application, then tap on three-line icon at the top left. Now from this menu box, tap on setting. Once you get your setting, scroll down a bit and tap on privacy and security. Then tap on two-step verification from this menu. After that, you have to enter your password for your two-step verification and tap on next. After you enter the password for your two-step verification, you will have an option to change the password. So tap on change password. Now you have to enter the new password. Then tap on next. Now again confirm your password by retyping it. Then again tap on next. Now you can create an optional hint for your password. If you want to skip this, tap skip, and with that your password has been changed. So that's now you can change your password in Telegram.